Small Business Expo has been very helpful for me. You have the workshops discussing the way that marketing works. There were workshops discussing the way funding works that could assist you in maybe applying for grants, that could assist you in maybe if you have a large company and you're too busy. I would suggest anyone who's looking to start a small business who doesn't know where to start to attend an event such as this one. You have banks here helping you set up a business checking account. You can network with other individuals, other entrepreneurs. The vibe here was really great. So many different people here, like-minded people, people of all cultures, people of all races, nationalities. You can network with so many different people and then just be able to find your niche or find someone that you're comfortable with, even if you're not such a outspoken person. The name of the business is Naturally Armored. It's a sports helmet brand. We came about when we found a lack of diversity in the sports helmet industry.